A proposal working its way through the legislature would make sure kids conceived by rape aren't raised by rapists. News 13's Alex Goldsmith is live at the Roundhouse with more. Alex?
Well, Jessica, Albuquerque Republican Conrad James' bill would make it so that if someone is convicted of rape and that rape led to a child being born, that rapist could potentially lose parental rights.
You can read the horror stories on the internet about cases where women have been harassed essentially with visitation petitions and things of that nature, and so I think it's really important that we protect women in this state.
James had a similar bill last session that made it past the House unanimously before stalling out in committee. The big hang-up was over a question of when parental rights could be stripped. Last year's bill made it so that if the mother had clear and convincing evidence the biological father raped her, she could get a judge to remove those rights. But CYFD expressed due process concerns about that, so that's been changed now to a conviction. Meanwhile, Albuquerque Democrat Christine Trujillo is carrying an older version of the bill, saying moms in these cases shouldn't have to wait for the criminal justice system.
To be re-traumatized, to have a child re-traumatized if they're raped, shouldn't be this. We should be able to protect them, not make them suffer anymore.
Chances, though, are starting to look dicey that either of those bills will make it out of the legislature this session. James' bill did clear a House committee today. Meanwhile, Trujillo's bill has yet to move at all, and there's less than 9 days remaining here in Santa Fe. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Alex. Another bill working its way through the legislature called Rachel's Law would allow rape victims to get longer-term restraining orders against the person who raped them.